Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we resolve the line problem inside AutoCAD. Whenever you just draw line by enter line command, right, L for line, starting from somewhere here. Now this is a free line. For that I will press F8 to make the line orthogonal. Now whenever you click somewhere, it will be drawn orthogonally to you like this. And I think sometime what we need to draw a line, press space button, again press the space button to repeat the command, right? Now these are separate lines, see? So sometime you need to be drawn a combined line. For that I will enter polyline, PL for polyline. And now what you can see, when I trim the unwanted portion, now this is the single line, right? Sometimes we need a line with arrowhead, right? So for that what you can do, you will enter a command LE enter, and when you draw this like this, no, see, this is with arrowhead like this. So I think you got the point. Nothing with line problem. You have to just draw with F8. You can just make your line free like F8 like this. And if you want to avoid extend, what you can do, you can use the fillet, F for fillet, choose this line and this line. Automatically you will be having to save the time by doing trim command as well, right? So this was actually the line problem solution, right? And I think sometime if you want to draw a line and you're not getting the middle point position or the midpoint position, that's why you have something wrong with the snap setting. Right click, go for snap, object snap, and here will be something off. So you have to do one thing, clear all and select all and click OK. Hope you got the point. Thanks for watching.